Here, if you see, we have a few pictures of pump piping for top suction and top discharge. Okay, there are many ways of doing the routing. This is one of those routings. If you see, we have top suction and top discharge nozzles here. Okay, the discharge line is routed this way as the elevation is more, so we have planned a platform for this line. And if you see here, the suction line is below this platform where the strainer can be accessed from grade only. Okay. The routing is typical, more or less it is same as we have discussed earlier. Only thing is the nozzles are located at top, so we have planned routing something like this. Okay. This is the spacing between two pumps where a person can move inside. Headroom is there below this platform. Okay. So we have clear access for movement, clear access for maintenance, and clear approach for discharge line. So this kind of arrangement can be planned for top suction and top discharge piping.
So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.